Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Fourth Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Fourth Payroll Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to app.fourth.com. It will then take you to the login page of Fourth. It might take a while to load the page up, but once the page has been loaded up, enter your username and your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. Then you should be able to access your Fourth Payroll. If you have forgot your username or password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Username or Forgot Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.